Hello friends, welcome back to Active Education Pro. Today we are going to study the second part of time, speed and distance. Let us do. Here given is a problem, a speed of 30.6 km per hour will be equal to how many meter per second. That means we have to convert the speed of 30.6 km per hour to a unit which is meter per second. In our previous videos we have studied that when we have to convert the kilometer per hour unit, we have to multiply it with 5 by 18. So it will equal to 30.6 into 5 by 18 meter per second. We can write 30.6 as 306 by 10 into 5 by 18. Now we will divide 5 and 10 with 5. So it will give 1 here and 2 here. Now we can divide 18 and 306 with 3. So it will give 6 here and 102 here. We can also divide 102 and 2 by 2, so it will give 51. So it will become 51 by 6 meter per second. So by dividing it will give 6 8 is 48, 8.5 meter per second. So the speed of 30.6 km per hour will be equal to 8.5 meter per second in meter per second unit. Let us do another numerical. The question is given that A is travelling at 72 km per hour on a highway while B is travelling at a speed of 25 meter per second. What is the difference in their speeds in meter per second? Given that the speed of A is 72 km per hour and speed of V is 25 meter per second. We have to find the difference between the speed of A and speed of V in meter per second. Here the speed of V is given in meter per second unit, but the speed of A is not given in meter per second unit. So we have to convert the speed of kilometer per hour unit to meter per second unit. In our previous videos we have studied that when we have to convert the speed of kilometer per hour unit, we have to multiply it with 18 by 5. So it will become 72 into 18 by 5. So sorry, this is 5 by 18. When we have to convert kilometer per hour unit, we have to multiply it with 5 by 18. So it will become, dividing it with 18, it will be 1 here and 4 here. So it will become 20 meter per second. So the speed of A is 20 meter per second and the speed of B is 25 meter per second. Next we have to find the difference. So difference between the speed of B and A will be equal to 25 meter per second minus 20 meter per second. So it will become 5 meter per second. So this is the difference of speed of A and B, which is 5 meter per second. Let us do another numerical. Here the question is given that a man covered a distance of 180 km in 4 hours on a bike. How much distance will be covered on a bicycle in 8 hours if he rides the bicycle at 1/6 speed of the bike? Here the question is given that first the man covers 180 km in 4 hours on a bike. So for a bike, the distance covered by the man is 180 km and time taken by him for covering 180 km is 4 hours. So the speed of the man in a bike will be equal to distance by speed, and distance by time. Here distance is 180 km and time is 4 hours. So the speed of the man on a bike will be equal to 92, it will be equal to 45. So the speed of the man on a bike will be equal to 45 km per hour. Second is, here it is given that the man covers the same distance. Same distance means distance of 180 km on a bicycle. And here question is given that the speed of the man is 1/6 of the speed of the man on a bicycle. So the speed of the man on a bicycle will be equal to 1/6 of speed of man on a bike. So here speed of bike is 45 km. The speed of the man on a bicycle will be equal to 1/6 of 45 km per hour. Dividing it with 46, it will give 45 by 6 and it will be 15. It will be equal to 2. 15 by 2 km per hour. Next, we have to find the the time taken by the man to cover the distance of 180 km with the speed of 15 by 2 km per hour. So we know that the formula for time is distance by speed. Here, the question is given that we have to find out the distance covered by the bicycle in 8 hours. Here the distance between the two cases for bike and bicycle is not same. Here is given that the time is 8 hours. Time is 8 hours. We have to find out the distance covered by the bicycle in 8 hours with a speed of 15 by 2 km per hour, which is 1/6 the speed of bike. So we have to find out the distance. From this formula we can know that distance is equal to speed into time. So the distance for bicycle will be equal to here speed is 15 by 2 km per hour and time is 8 hours. So by dividing 8 with 2 it will give 4. So 15 4 60 km. So the distance covered by the bicycle in 8 hours with a speed of 15 by 2 km will be equal to 60 km. I am repeating. The question here is given that a man covers a distance of 18 km in 4 hours on a bike. How much distance will be covered by the bicycle by the man in 8 hours if he rides the bicycle with a speed of 1/6 the speed of bike? So first given that bike covers 180 km in 4 hours. If we calculate the speed of bike, it will be equal to 45 km per hour. Next we have to find that a man covers the distance, some distance with a bicycle with a speed of 1/6 of the speed of bike. That means 1/6 of 45 km per hour. So it will be equal to 15 by 2 km per hour. This 15 by 2 km per hour is the speed of man on a bicycle, and it takes time 8 hours to reach some distance. Now we have to calculate the distance travelled by the man in 8 hours with a speed of 15 by 2 km per hour. We know that the speed for distance is the formula for distance is speed into time. Here speed is 15 by 2 km per hour and time is 8 hours. By calculating, it will give 60 km per hour. The unit for distance is 60 km. Unit is kilometer. So the distance will be equal to 60 km. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.